Okay, we're back with another tech video. Now I'm going to go through your question, answer it, and hopefully you get the solution. Now remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and you'll get there to that resolution. Alright, let's continue on to the video. And that's it, guys. We've gone through. I hope you found your resolution and found the answer you were looking for. If it helped, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And be on the lookout for more technical help videos. Have a good one.